Namaskar, welcome to Tasty Town Recipes. Today's recipe is restaurant style South Indian best dish cabbage fry, or this is also called cabbage sabzi, cabbage palya. This recipe preparation time is 5 to 6 minutes. So let's look at the ingredients. I have taken half cabbage. This comes out 3 cups of chopped cabbage, 3 big green chilli chopped, half a cup of grated coconut, 10 numbers curry leaves, salt up to your taste. I am taking Himalayan pink salt half a teaspoon, 1 teaspoon gram dal, 1 teaspoon urad dal, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 2 pinch or 1/8 teaspoon turmeric, 1/8 teaspoon of hing or Asafoetida, and 1 tablespoon of organic virgin coconut oil. Keep the vessel on low flame. Pour 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. After 20 seconds, oil started heating up. Add 1 teaspoon of gram dal, 1 teaspoon of urad dal. Fry for 10 seconds. It starts changing the color. Add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. When it starts splattering, add curry leaves. Fry for 5 seconds. Now add chopped green chilli. Fry 10 seconds in low flame. Now add turmeric and stir in oil. At this time, I am adding 1/8 teaspoon of Asafoetida or hing here so that the oil retain the smell. Fry for 10 seconds and add chopped cabbage and mix thoroughly. Raise up the flame low to high. Now add Himalayan pink salt. Mix all around. Let it sit for 3 to 4 minutes. In between, keep mixing so that avoid burning at bottom. Have a look. It's almost done. Perfect color. Rightly cooked. Now I am adding grated fresh coconut. You can skip this stage. Now take up from the flame and mix properly. Our cabbage fry is ready to serve. Wow, so amazing color and perfect texture. Just like restaurant serve. You can have this with chapati or rice. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share with your friends and family. Thank you.